come to list your house for sale and you're thinking about all of the potential improvements that you need to make to get it sold fast and for the most amount of money. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the things not to do, the investments not to make when you are improving your home prior to selling it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You have come to the right place for all there is to know about living, working, playing, and thriving in the Baltimore metro region. My name is Persia, and every day I get calls from people just like you looking to sell or buy in the Baltimore metro region, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in the next 9 days or 90 days, make sure to give me a call, reach out to my team, and we would be so happy to help you make a move in the Baltimore metro region. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so that you can be alerted whenever there is new content to the channel. Let's get right into it. The number one thing that I would not recommend as an investment if you are looking to sell your home and you're looking to do an improvement is a full kitchen renovation. Now, kitchen renovations are really popular because, let's face it, kitchens are the biggest thing in a home usually that get a house sold. People love beautiful new kitchens. Now, kitchen renovations can be super costly. They can cost anywhere from like $30,000 all the way up to $100,000, even more, depending on the finishes, countertops, appliances that you put in. And so usually when you're trying to sell your house, you are trying to make the best possible investment and to get a return on that investment. So rather than doing a full kitchen renovation, I would recommend doing a facelift. So doing things like updating the fixtures, maybe just painting the cabinets rather than replacing them, but maybe replacing some of the appliances, which can be an affordable thing to do if they're really old. So I would recommend, instead of a full gut, doing some updates that make it look fresh and new without the price tag of a full kitchen renovation, and you will be sure to get a better return on your money. The next thing that I would not recommend in terms of renovation, if you're thinking about how to update your home prior to sell, is a full bathroom gut. You do not have to redo your bathrooms completely. Again, people like fresh, shiny, new bathrooms. Yes, I know this. I see all the time when we go out, show homes with clients, they're like, ooh, the bathroom is so nice. And it does make a difference, but you can get the same effect by doing similar to what I just mentioned in the kitchen, doing a refresh. So make sure that your outlet covers are updated. Make sure that your lighting fixtures are newer. You can replace a vanity for pretty cheap. You can even update the flooring, but you do not have to completely rip everything out and start fresh. There are a bunch of things that you can do to just update it, give it a facelift, and get a better return for your money. The next thing that you might not want to do if you're wanting to get a good return on your money is doing a full roof replacement prior to selling. Now, with that being said, if the roof is falling apart, like literally there are holes in it, there are leaks everywhere, then yeah, to get it sold, you might have to do a full roof replacement. But you also have the option of calling a roofing specialist to come and do an assessment on your roof. They can actually guarantee your roof, so they can say, oh, you know, we did an assessment, the roof has X amount of life still on it, and give you a roof certificate that you can pass on to the next buyer. You can also have a certified roofing expert come and do some patching work if it's not a full replacement job, so that they can make sure that they are just addressing the areas that need to be fixed instead of a full replacement. And that'll be much easier on your wallet and will also be a relief to the next buyer, that they kind of know what they're getting into and that any roofing issues have been addressed. The next thing that I would not recommend in order to update your house prior to selling is replacing the windows. If the windows are in good working order, they can be older. As long as they're working, it's fine to leave them where they are. Window replacements for every single window in the home would be very, very costly, and you wouldn't really get a return on your money. So I would say if they're in good working order, they can be left. Make sure that they are in good working order, get repairs done as needed. The next thing that you don't want to do if you're trying to get a good return on your money in terms of getting your house ready to sell is replacing your entire HVAC system. Now again, kind of similar to the roof. If it's not working, you have to disclose that and you have to replace it, because in this market, especially in this heat, I am filming this in July, it is hot. And so buyers are gonna know if there's an issue with the HVAC system. I was recently touring a home and it wasn't working and it was hot as all get out, and the buyers just wanted to leave. They didn't even want to keep touring because it was so stiflingly hot in the house. So the HVAC system is something that should be working, but if it is older, that's okay. As long as it's functioning, you might want to pay an HVAC repair guy to come in, clean it, service it, and then give a certification that it's been cleaned and serviced and that it's working properly, that you can pass on to the next buyer. But again, if it's time for it to be replaced, replace it. It's going to be a headache that you do not want to have to deal with, because we want to make sure that we are turning a house over in good condition. Now, there are some things that are always going to get you a good return on your investment if you are looking to update your house and get it sold for the highest amount of money in the least amount of time. The first thing on that list is painting. It is amazing what a fresh coat of paint will do for a house. It's really important that you pick a neutral color. It does not have to be agreeable gray. I'm actually really sick of seeing gray everywhere, but it should be a neutral color, and it should be a color that repeats throughout the house. So you don't want a bunch of different colors all throughout the house. Keep it uniform. The next thing that makes a big impact at a low cost is cleaning all the windows. Cleaning all the windows and just doing a thorough deep clean of the house in general. Make sure that you are presenting the best possible product to buyers, and you're showing a pride of ownership. So cleaning the windows, making sure that the home is deep cleaned makes a huge difference, and whatever money that you put out on that expense, you are going to get back probably threefold. If you are thinking about selling your house in the Baltimore metro region, please reach out to me, to my team. You can call us, text us, email us. We can set up a video chat. It would be our absolute pleasure to help you. And if you're outside of the Baltimore metro region, still reach out if you're looking for a realtor to help you sell your home, because we have a network of real estate agents all across the US who are absolutely fabulous and can help you get the job done. If you're not planning on making a move yet and you're a homeowner, I really hope that this information helped you to know what items to maintain and how to get prepared for a possible sale in the future. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!